Look at this figure and you have to find out perimeter of triangle ABE as well as perimeter of rectangle BCDE and then find out whose perimeter is greater. So let us calculate perimeter of this triangle. Lengths are given here. So first one, perimeter of triangle ABE is equal to sum of all sides, that is 5/2 plus 2 and 3/4 plus 3 and 3/5. So these three fractions are given here. Two mixed fractions are there. First we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So first of all 2 and 3/4. How to convert? Multiply these two numbers, that is 2 4s are 8 and add 3 in this multiplication. So 8 plus 3 11. Write denominator as it is. So here 11/4 in place of 2 and 3/4. Now for this 3 and 3/5. Convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 3 is equal to 18/5. So here we got 18/5. Now write this first fraction 5/2 plus for the second fraction 11/4 plus 18/5. 18/5. Now add this 3 length, but these are unlike fraction. We have to convert it into like fraction. For conversion, we require to calculate LCM. So what is the LCM? Write this 2, 4, 5 in 2's table. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Write 5 as it is. Again 2. Write this 1 as it is. 2 1s are 2. Write 5 as it is. Then 5 1s are 5. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 5. 2 into 2 into 5. 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. So LCM is 20. Now we want this 20 as a denominator. So in this fraction, multiply this fraction by 10 so that we get 20 as a denominator. So 2 10s are 20. Here also 5 10s are 50. Now second fraction 11/4. How will get 20 here? By multiplying it by 5. 11 5s are 55. 4 5s are 20. Now next is 18/5. Here multiply this fraction by 4 so that we get 20. 5 4s are 20. Here 18 4s are 72. Now we got three fractions, 50/20, 55/20 and 72/20. Denominator is same, that is all three are like fractions. Now add these three like fractions. This 50 plus 55 plus this 72. Write 20 as denominator. Now add this 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17/20. So now we got this fraction 177/20. We can convert this into simplest form. So divide this 177 by 20. So 28 are 160. Here remainder is 17. So 8 is whole number. Remainder is 17. So write this 17 here and 20 as denominator. So perimeter of triangle is 8 and 17 upon 20 centimeter. Got it? Now calculate perimeter of rectangle BCDE. For this, what is the length of this rectangle? 2 and 3 upon 4, and width is 7 upon 6. So length 2 and 3 upon 4 centimeter, width 7 upon 6 centimeter. Then perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2, then into bracket length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth. Now put values. Length is equal to 2 and 3 upon 4 plus breadth is equal to 7 upon 6. First of all, convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 2 and 3 upon 4 is equal to, multiply these two numbers, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Write denominator as it is. So 11 by 4 plus 7 upon 6. Unlike fractions are there, make it like fraction by calculating LCM. So LCM of 4 and 6. These two numbers lies in 2's table. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. Write 3 as it is. 3 1s are 3. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So LCM is 12. Now to make this denominator 12, what to do? Multiply this 11 by 4 by 3 to get denominator 12. 4 3s are 12, 11 3s are 33. So 33 upon 12 plus, now for this fraction 7 upon 6, 6 2s are 7 2s are 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are 14. So 14 upon 12. Now denominator is equal. Add these two numbers. 47 by 12. Now we can directly multiply this fraction by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. Fraction is 47 by 6. Now make it simple by dividing 47 by 6. 6 7s are 42. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. So 7 and 5 upon 6. This 7, then remainder, and this denominator. So this is the perimeter of rectangle. Now we have to find out which one is greater, whose perimeter is greater. Now first perimeter is 8 and 17 upon 20 centimeter, and second perimeter is 7 and 5 upon 6 centimeter. We will take these values for comparison. Now third point is whose perimeter is greater. For this I have taken the value of perimeter of triangle ABE is 177 upon 20 centimeter. Perimeter of rectangle BCDE 47 upon 6 centimeter. Now we have to compare these two perimeters. 177 upon 20, then 177 upon 20 and 47 upon 6. Unlike fractions are there, we have to make it like fraction. For this, calculate LCM. So LCM of 20 and 6. 2 10s are 20, 2 3s are 6. Here also 2 5s are 10, write 3 as it is, 5 1s are 5, write 3 as it is, and 3 1s are 3. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. So LCM is 2 2s are 4 into 5 20, 20 into 3 60. So we want this 60 as denominator. Let us do that. How will we get 60 here? By multiplying it by 3. So answer is 3 7s are 21, 3 7s are 21 plus 2 23, 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5, and 23s are 60. Next one, 47 upon 6. We want 60 here, so multiply it by 10. 47 tens are 470, 6 tens are 60. Now fractions are 531 upon 60 and 470 upon 60. Denominator is equal now. Now let us see which one is greater. As 531 is greater than 470, so this is the perimeter of triangle ABE. So 47 or 177 upon 20 is greater than 47 upon 6. That is perimeter of triangle ABE is greater than rectangle BCDE. That's how we solve this sum. First of all, we find out perimeter of ABE, then perimeter of BCDE, then we take the values of these two perimeters and compare these values. Is that clear?